Body oil is having a moment right now, a really big moment. In 2026, we've moved past simple hydration into the world of the permanent glow. It's about skin that looks alive, not just covered.
I'm Priscilla, and today we aren't just reviewing products, we are going deep into the science of luxury versus the power of handmade. We're going to see what you're really paying for. Spoiler alert, it's not always the oil.
First, Sol de Janeiro. They didn't just launch an oil, they bottled the inclusive beach culture of Rio. Their Bum Bum Firmeza oil is unique because of its high sensory celebration first experience. It's built on a specific Guaraná caffeine plus complex.
Guaraná has 5 times the caffeine of coffee. Chemically, it acts as a potent vasoconstrictor to help reduce puffiness and stimulate microcirculation. Pair that with cupuaçu butter for deep fatty acids, and you have high-tech sensory joy. And let's be honest, you're paying for Cheirosa 62. Pistachio, salted caramel. It's not just a scent, it's an emotional investment. And sometimes a mood is worth $38. I'm not judging.
Then there's Neutrogena, a 40-year cult favorite. Their unique selling point is Whisper Light Moisture. It combines highly refined sesame oil with isopropyl myristate to help ingredients penetrate deeper without feeling greasy. Sesame is unique because it's so balanced. Linoleic acid is essential for repairing the skin's lipid barrier to prevent water loss, while oleic acid provides deep emolliency. It's effective, accessible drugstore brilliance. Period.
And yes, it's essentially mineral oil with a light fragrance. The beauty industry decided this was problematic 15 years ago, but dermatologists, they never got that memo. It's one of the most well-studied, non-clogging barriers in existence. Marketing is a loud room, but science is quiet.
Now for the 60-year icon, Clarins Tonic Oil. Created in 1965, this is the definition of aroma phytocare. It's the synergy of plant extracts and essential oils that makes it a pillar of French pharmacy aesthetic. Unlike cheaper oils, Clarins uses a base of 100% pure hazelnut oil, rich in omega-9 and vitamin E. It protects against dehydration by mimicking the skin's natural oils. No fillers, just 60 years of formulation research. They even recommend finishing with a cool shower to boost microcirculation and enhance the toning effects. It's a whole ritual. It's $65 of history, and I deeply respect the commitment to the experience. Now let's make our own. We start with Jojoba. It's actually a liquid wax ester, not an oil. Its molecular structure is nearly identical to your human sebum. Your skin recognizes it and lets it in instantly. It tricks oily skin into producing less. Brilliant, right? Next, Rosehip seed oil. I call this natural retinol. It's packed with trans-retinoic acid, a precursor to vitamin A. This is what handles scarring and gives you that actual biological glow, not just a surface shimmer.
And Squalane. Ours is from sugarcane, not sharks. It's 100% non-comedogenic and mimics the squalene your body stops making in your 20s. It's the ultimate weightless safety net for sensitive skin.
Workshop time. 3 tablespoons of jojoba for our mimic base, 2 of rosehip for the biological glow, 1 of squalane for that shark-free hydration, and 10 drops of vitamin E, the antioxidant that keeps the rosehip from going rancid.
Now you add your scent. Lavender for calm, or geranium for tone. You control the concentration. No hidden synthetics or heavy perfumes, just pure botanical power tailored to you. Give it a gentle swirl.
Application is the secret. We use the Big 6 protocol to open the gateways: collarbones, neck, armpits, abdomen, hips, and knees, in that order. It creates a pressure gradient for total detoxification.
We start at the terminus, the collarbones. By clearing these nodes first, you create a vacuum effect so the rest of your body's fluid can actually drain. It's science, not just massage. Light pressure only, please.
Always move toward the heart in long, sweeping motions. We are moving skin to stimulate the lymph, not kneading muscle. This is how you reduce that heaviness and wake up the glow.
Here is the logic. This formula isn't just cheap, it's $2.30 a batch, but it actually outperforms the big brands for biocompatibility. It's what your skin actually needs without the marketing tax. I love doing this math.
Look at this. This is your result. A luxury experience, a scientific formula that actually works, and a price that makes sense. That is true beauty. Your skin and your wallet will thank you.
Will you try the Glow Oil? Tell me your favourite essential oil in the comments. Hit like and subscribe to join our artisan skincare family. Stay prepared, stay glowing.